Hi guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is Mastering Conditional Formatting in Excel in 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Now what you're going to do is open up Excel. Conditional formatting is easily spot trends and patterns in your data using bars, colors, and icons to visually highlight important values. Now, as you can see here, I have already readily data for this tutorial. While it may not be possible to master all the intricacies of Excel's conditional formatting in just 3 minutes, here are some tips to get started. Now, what you're going to do is select the range of the cell you want to apply the formatting to. Then, go here in the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. Choose the type of formatting you want to apply, such as highlighting cells that are greater than a certain value or have specific text. Set the criteria for the formatting, such as a value or text to look for. Choose the formatting options such as font color or background color and click with OK to apply the formatting. You can also create complex formatting rules using formulas, icon sets, and data bars. To access the options, click on More Rules on the Conditional Formatting Rules. In the Conditional Formatting menu, remember that conditional formatting is a powerful tool that can help you quickly identify important data in your Excel spreadsheets. With a little practice, you can become a master at using it to your advantage. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!